Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring Bitcoin can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from your Arculus wallet to KuCoin in 2025. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, we'll emphasize security to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and a verified KuCoin account. Double check that you have Bitcoin in your Arculus wallet. Nothing worse than starting a transfer with an empty balance. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in securely. Navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option, usually represented by an arrow icon. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions might have variable costs based on network congestion, so check that first to avoid surprises. Step 3. Now, head over to your KuCoin account. Go to the deposit section and select Bitcoin. Copy the wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be extra careful not to make any typos here, as that could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place forever. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste that KuCoin wallet address into the recipient field. Add a note if you want, then review everything. Hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to confirm on the Bitcoin network, depending on the current blockchain speed. Keep an eye on your KuCoin account to see when the funds arrive. A quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Arculus to KuCoin in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.